People ask me all the time why I say Bangkok is one of the best cities in the world, and it's because you can come to events like this and spend less than $5. A Project Bangkok recommendation: if you're in the city, come and check this out. It's worth your time. Only in Bangkok will they turn a dangerous railway storage yard into an attraction. Hello, welcome to Swaddy Crowd. My name is Rob, and it's not every day you get to play on the train track. Well, actually in Bangkok that might not well be true, but it's not every day that it's Halloween, so they've kind of put two and two together. And we're here at the old Makkasan station. This is actually kind of like the railway yard, which is usually closed off. I've tried to get here in the past, but they've opened it up for Halloween. They've got a bunch of lights and festivities, and well, it's all coming up in today's video. Now, this is situated in between the two railway links on the red line, and I actually went to the Chidlom BTS and kind of walked up the road. It's about a 5–10 minute walk, so you might want to either grab a taxi or jump on the back of a motorbike. But you can see here, we're just right underneath the rail link, and like I was saying before, normally this entrance here is guarded off and you cannot get in. So I've never actually seen any of these trains before, and if any of you guys are kind of like train enthusiasts, you probably absolutely love coming here to check this out. Now, from what I understand, this is on for a few days. They've got a little bit of a market, and you can see across the road, like, all the lights going on. It just looks, it just looks like really incredible to check out. So I was just filming that clip, and then I saw this gentleman up here. I thought he was security, but he's just up there taking some photos. And why not? If that was anywhere in the West, like US, Australia, or the UK, he'd be shouted at already and probably removed. And we're right next to actually one of the main train lines of the old track. So you do get a few trains actually passing every now and then if you want to capture a bit of a glimpse of that as well. They've even got like some creepy sounds going on, like some crying babies. It's really eerie. So the market itself, if you're here in Bangkok, you should come and check this place out. It's here until the 31st of October. So from the 26th to the 31st. And they look like they've got a few other events going on here as well. So I'll try to cover those in the future. But if you are in the city, I'm trying to navigate this train track, definitely come and check this out because it's free. Why not? It's only 5 minutes away from a BTS station as well. So it's not all doom and gloom and goosebumps in the night. They've actually got like this lit up section here, which is kind of like a little museum. They've got a bunch of different trains to come and check out. Well, look at this one. This is probably one of my favorites and is absolutely massive. So yeah, definitely come and check this out if you're a train enthusiast, or well, even if you're not. For the first time ever, I'm actually going to give you a little bit of history because this carriage here is fully wooden and has been brought in from Birmingham in the UK, and it's one of the oldest carriages that they have here, and it's absolutely incredible. It's amazing to see. It's over 100 years old, sitting here in the station for you guys to come and check it out. The director of this kind of museum and also the one at Chulalongkorn has invited me to go and check out the trains and everything they have on offer there, and to kind of give me a bit of a behind the scenes to share with you guys. So if you're interested in the trains, wanted to check out the station or any of Bangkok, you guys know what to do. So they've actually got like a bunch of markets and places to eat. They've got all sorts of like different food here, actually, stuff that you wouldn't find at the normal markets. Loads of places to sit down. A really good selection. They've got food trucks here. They've even got like tents. I think you can get like your fortune bread or something. They've got some creepy stuff at the back here. Hello, Swaddy Club. What do you have? What she said? Oh, spicy noodles. Okay, come and see these ladies if you want some spicy noodles. Cool, thank you. Very nice. Everyone here has got a really good kind of vibe to them. You've got a baby pizza here with some skulls and some bones. And we've got like a little bit of an event going off over here. So check the rest out. I think a lot of these stalls are kind of like from Jod Fairs or the one Ratchether, actually. I recognise a few of the brands, and they've got like some bespoke stuff here. Like, look at this guy. He's cooking 4 dishes at once. What a legend. Get yourself all sorts of drinks here. It's all branded, it's really good. So people ask me all the time why I say Bangkok is one of the best cities in the world, and it's because you can come to events like this and spend less than $5 for the whole night and get incredible food, incredible entertainment, and you know, whether you're alone or with family or your girlfriend, it's just unbelievable value. And well, look at the place. Everyone here is having fun. So this looks like some kind of a storage yard where they've got a bunch of train parts and even like mechanical men back there. And well, they've managed to turn it into some kind of event. So I genuinely feel like somebody said, what do you want at the market? And they just said, yes. It's incredible. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually gonna give this like a Project Bangkok recommendation. If you're in the city, come and check this out. It's worth your time. It's not just any old night market. They've got absolutely everything going on. Train yard, the food, stuff for sale, Halloween, the band, just, yeah, I've actually really enjoyed myself tonight and I wanted to share it with you guys. So come and check this out if you can. It's only here till the 31st of October. All right, and on that note, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody.